Don't worry, Curly. I have seen you on a flight before. What happens on the island stays on the island. If the kids fall asleep early, why don't you stop by old Billy's room? I got some real special cotton candy for your degenerate ass.
The deranged, the demented, everyone knows what's on your mind. A felon projecting all the time. Yeah, all the time. Everyone knows what's on your mind. Yeah, all the time. Everyone knows what's on your mind. Watch out, Uncle has secrets he is trying to hide. He's just trying to act blind as he flies to the island all the time. All the time. Projecting all the time.